SPECS queries sometimes include measures with scaled numerical values. In Web Intelligence, we can work with scaled measures using the scaling factor attribute to determine the scaling value and calculating unscaled values as required. This SPECS query includes a scaled and an unscaled version of the same measure. Under the scaled measure is a scaling factor value, which we can use to calculate unscaled values based on the scaled measure. Let's add the scaled measure, the scaling factor value attribute, and the unscaled measure to the query. The third column in the table displays the scaled net value results, and the second column displays the scaling factor, which in this case is 1000. The fourth column displays the standard unscaled measure. We can work with scaled values in our document and use the scaling factor attribute to calculate unscaled totals when necessary. In this example, we'll create a variable to calculate the unscaled net value results using the scaled measure and the scaling factor attribute. We need to enter a variable name and qualify the variable as a measure. Now we'll multiply the scaled measure by the scaling factor to generate the unscaled results. Now we'll insert the new variable between the third and fourth columns of the table. The variable generates the same results as the unscaled measure. Visit www.sap.com/learnbi for more tutorials on Web Intelligence and other SAP Business Intelligence products.